your case managers are telling you or your team that most of their patients go to the SNF with rehab. They don't go home right away. That might be true. I would submit to you now, with all the staffing shortages, that more and more patients are going home. My mother had this recent experience where she was in the hospital for 2 weeks. They wanted her to go to a SNF with rehab, and there were no beds. They called 6 SNFs with rehabs near her home. None of them had beds for her. And she's a straight Medicare patient. So, with a VA supplement. So she's one of the better payer sources. You think they would have found a bed or squeezed her in if they could have, but they couldn't. So her choice was to go to a SNF farther away from her house. And when I talked to the case managers, I said, why can't we take her home with home health? And they said, well, your mother lives alone. And that was my perfect opportunity to say, not only could home health help her, but in-home care could help her until I could get back there and be her caregiver, because she lives out of state from me. So when you're thinking about someone who says, oh, well, most of our patients go to SNF with rehab, is that a current practice or an old practice? Ask the question. Tell me about the last time that a patient couldn't get a SNF bed that they wanted. What happened to them? Could they have gone home? Should they go home? We have like that now. Start generating questions in their mind. Find the holes. Understand the gaps. This is where you position yourself to succeed. As the agency who can take that patient home, to be in the environment that they're going to be most comfortable in, their own home. They're going to be successful in their own home with your help. And that is the answer to that question about case managers who say everybody goes to a SNF with rehab. You are a viable choice. You just need to elevate your conversation so that they can hear you. Thanks for asking the question. I love giving the answers. I can't wait to see you on the next series.